Tesla Megapacks picked for solar project in Chile. Tesla's Megapack grid-scale storage systems have been selected for yet another solar energy and storage project, this time set to be installed in Chile. Chilean energy storage developer Colbún has announced plans to install over 200 Tesla Megapacks. As part of the 228 megawatts 912 megawatt-hours Celda solar project in the northern part of the country, as detailed in a press release shared this week, the site will be constructed in the Camarões, Arica and Parinacota region, and the company estimates the total cost to be around $260 million. Energy storage will play an increasing role in the Chilean electricity system, allowing solar energy generated during the day to be accumulated and supplied to the system at night, writes José Ignacio Escobar, Colbún CEO, as translated into English from Spanish. Our energy stored in the reservoirs in the south complements perfectly with the energy that we will store in our batteries in the north, thus having a safe, diversified and competitive offer for our clients from Arica to Puerto Montt. Tesla Megapacks power on at Western Australia's largest battery yet. The Celda solar project is set to be built on an 8-hectare plot of land, as approved by the Chilean Ministry of National Assets. Colbún is aiming to begin operations at the site in mid-2026, with construction expected to create 200 jobs. The release notes that each individual Megapack is capable of over 3.9 megawatt-hours of energy, or enough to supply 1 hour of energy to an average of 3,600 homes. It also says that the full storage site will be able to deliver energy equivalent to the consumption of about 55,480 homes. Tesla has built over 10,000 Megapacks in California, Megafactory Shanghai to open soon. Last month, Tesla announced that it surpassed production of its 10,000th Megapack at its so-called Megafactory in Lathrop, California, after completing construction on the site in 2022. While the manufacturer has been ramping up Megapack production since it opened, it's eventually expected to produce around 10,000 Megapack units per year. The company is also nearing completion of a second Megafactory in Shanghai, China, which is expected to begin shipping units in the first quarter of 2025. The company first broke ground on the site in May, and Tesla is aiming to double total Megapack output capacity upon the second location reaching volume production. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.